Hello everyone, welcome to the first module of this week, and the name of this module is Pay-per-click advertising and introduction. As we discussed that majority of the traffic to our website is coming through the search engines, and we should make the genuine efforts to improve the ranking of our website in the search result pages by adopting the various strategies of search engine optimization, both on page and off page. But do you think that search engines are the only places from where the traffic to our website is coming? Absolutely no. There are many other places from there the visitor may land on your website, and pay-per-click is one of them. So in this module, we will learn about basics of pay-per-click advertising, and you will specifically learn what is pay-per-click advertising, what are various forms of pay-per-click advertising, and lastly, why a business should choose pay-per-click advertising. I know you are very curious to know about pay-per-click advertising. So without wasting much time, let us start our module with an aim to move one step ahead in digital marketing. Just recall one of our example, and this example was about newspaper advertising. Suppose you are running a coaching institute and you want to advertise your various courses in the newspaper that has a circulation of, suppose, 1000 readers. Suppose you agree to pay ₹100 and advertise your product. However, only 400 people actually saw your advertisement when it appeared. Now tell me, for how much actually you will be charged? Will it be for 1000 readers or for 400 readers? Answer is very simple. The advertising model in offline media works on the basis of the total reach, not on the basis of actual views. So in this case, you will be charged on the basis of 1000 readers, even your ad is seen by only 400 readers. Even if no one will see your advertisement, you will be charged with the full amount. But the scenario is different in case of online advertising, where most of the advertising models work on pay-per-click. That means you will be charged only if someone clicks on your advertisement, otherwise you will not be charged for anything. So let me formally define what is pay-per-click advertising. According to WordStream, PPC stands for pay-per-click, a model of internet marketing in which advertisers pay a fees each time once their ads are clicked. Here are few examples of PPC. You can see ads appearing on search engine results, YouTube ads, ads on various websites, ads on social media platforms. More specifically, it is a way of buying the visits to your website rather than attempting to earn those visits organically. Now let us see what are various forms of pay-per-click advertising. These are search engine marketing, display advertising, social media advertising, remarketing, and shopping ads. Let us explain them one by one. First, we have the search engine marketing. We already know any SERP has two types of results, that is, organic results and inorganic results. To secure the high ranking in the organic results, you have to optimize your website to make it search engine friendly. In digital marketing terminology, it's called search engine optimization. We also know that securing the high ranking in organic result is free of cost, and you need not to pay anything to the Google or other popular search engines in this regard. However, to secure the position in inorganic results, it's not free of cost, and you have to pay something to the Google or to the other search engine in the form of advertising fees. But in this case, you will be only charged if someone clicks on your advertisement, otherwise you will not be charged for anything. That's why it is called pay-per-click. The most important point here, just paying the higher amount to the Google or any other search engine doesn't guarantee that your ad will definitely appear in the search results. No doubt, pricing is the important factor, but there are other factors too that contribute to whether your ad will appear or not, like keywords, ad quality, quality of landing pages, bidding by competitors, etc. We will discuss all these factors in a while. Moreover, search engines are not the only place where searches happen. A search can happen at Google Map, it can happen at YouTube, it can happen in the shopping websites as well. So ads can also appear there. So these are also within the domain of search engine marketing. For search engine marketing, there are two very important platforms that are being used worldwide, and these platforms are Google Ads and Bing Ads. Without any debate, Google Ad is the leader in the search engine marketing, as it has 92% share in the search engine market, followed by Bing and Yahoo. Even in our course, we will use Google Ads platform to learn about search engine marketing campaigns. So I discussed with you the basic meaning of pay-per-click advertising along with one but very important form of pay-per-click advertising, that is search engine marketing. So we will continue our discussion by discussing the various other forms of pay-per-click advertising in the next part of this video.